This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying the fundamentals. Make sure your device fingerprint is enrolled in settings and that Instagram is updated to the latest version. Open Instagram and sign in. You need the account active for changes. Once done, navigate to your profile, tap the menu, then Settings. You're beginning the lock setup now. Instagram may ask for your device passcode for verification, so keep it handy. This avoids wasted steps and lets you enable biometric security immediately. Next, you'll enable the actual lock inside the app. Navigate to Settings, then Privacy or Security. Look for App Lock or Require Face ID/Touch ID. Toggle the biometric option on and pick when the app should lock, immediately after 1 minute or after 15 minutes. When Instagram calls the system fingerprint prompt, place your finger on the sensor to confirm. Make sure to grant any system-level permission Instagram requests. Without that, the biometric check won't function properly. Finally, verify the lock by closing Instagram and reopening it. You should see a fingerprint prompt. If it doesn't appear, re-enroll your fingerprint in the phone settings, then repeat the setup. This resolves mismatches. Once re-enrolled, make sure Instagram has the necessary biometric permission and background access. If problems persist, restart your device, check for OS updates, or reinstall Instagram. These steps fix corrupted permissions. One key tip: if the sensor times out, set lock time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.